This is some hardcore grease for sure, but as you can see, we are dealing with it pretty good. Here is the difference. Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Do you know what is the fastest way to clean this oven glass? For years I was struggling with this grease, and each time I would try something different, but every time it took me a lot of time to get this glass to be clean. Finally, I think I have found the perfect mixture. First, take a little bit bigger bowl and add a cup of liquid detergent to it. Add 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. And as the last ingredient, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to this mixture. Make sure to mix everything pretty well, and after that, pour this mixture into 1 empty detergent bottle. It is way easier to use this mixture from a detergent bottle. Just use it like a normal liquid detergent. And as you could see, we had to integrate salt in there because the salt will help to dissolve this grease a little bit faster. And just for the record, you cannot apply the salt directly to this glass surface, because if you apply the salt here and rub it, you can only damage the surface. Shake it a little bit before use. Now let's apply this liquid all over this oven glass. It would be best to leave this mixture to dissolve the grease for 5 to 10 minutes. Also, apply the mixture to the sponge and rub that grease away. As you can see, for example here, you have to rub it a little bit, but this mixture is removing this grease pretty good. This is some hardcore grease for sure. As you can see, we are dealing with it pretty good. Here is the difference. Pretty good. Now rinse everything under fresh water and your oven glass should be as clean as new one. Now I know how difficult it can be to dismount this glass from this oven door, so now I will show you what you need to do in order to dismount this glass. Here on my oven door we have these clips right here, and basically they are marked with number 1 and number 2. What you do is you press this number 1 up, and then you can push everything to the outside like this. Now when we are returning this glass, put it right here in this groove, and the bottom part should lay flat here. And now just press this part up until you hear a click. That's it. There you have it, guys. A simple dismount of this oven glass and strong homemade cleaning mixture with the salt that eats away all this grease buildup on your oven glass. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. And if you are interested in any other cleaning solutions, check out these suggestions right here. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.